Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Fidelity crypto tips for beginners. If you are new to Fidelity Crypto, and here are the top tips to help you start strong. First, link your Fidelity brokerage account. It requires to fund your crypto trade and keep everything within one secure platform. Next, start small with well-known coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, both available directly in the Fidelity app. Take time to explore the real-time chart and price alerts so you can learn how the market moves without rushing into big trade. Always enable two-factor authentication for extra protection and avoid moving your crypto to unverified wallet. Fidelity already use cold storage for your asset, which means they will store safely offline. Finally, think long time, treat your crypto like an investment, not a quick flip. If this helped you get started, hit the like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto guide, and let me know in the comment how your first trade went. And that's it.